Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a simple skin whitening face mask. This mask make wonder in acne prones. Clean out tanning, dark circle, blackhead, whitehead, dark spots and many more. So without further delay, let's get started. For this skin whitening mask, we need only two ingredients, that is milk and coffee powder. Take 1 tablespoon of milk, that is cold milk, and 2 tablespoons of coffee powder. Any of the brand you can use. Now mix it well till it becomes smooth. Milk contains lactic acid. It cleanses the skin deeply and prevents from acne, pimples, blackheads, whiteheads. It is rich in vitamin B, calcium and many more skin benefits. It will nourish skin cells from deep within and keep skin moisturized all the day. And the coffee powder. This helps to improve your complexion. It eliminates the signs of aging and makes you look much younger than the actual age. Now mix the ingredients properly and apply it all over your face and neck. You can also use brush to apply. Now let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes or till it get dry. Once it's completely get dried, rinse it with a cold water and pat it dry. You will find your skin has become smooth and baby soft. It opens the skin pores and makes the skin more elastic. It gently removes the scars and wrinkles from the skin, which will make you look younger. Try this amazing face mask at home and put your comments below. Do like, do share and do subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.